The first step towards getting rich is a simple one. Make a decision. Decide that you will no longer be a passive observer in your financial life. Decide that you want wealth, that you crave financial freedom. Visualize the life you desire, the dreams you want to turn into reality. It's not about luck, it's about taking control. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. They are distractions from the real path to wealth. True wealth is built brick by brick, decision by decision. Each choice you make lays a foundation for your financial future. This is about building a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Imagine the freedom to enjoy your time as you wish. It's about having the time and resources to pursue your passions, to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Imagine a life free from financial worries. A life where you can focus on what truly matters to you. That's the power of wealth. It gives you the ability to live life on your own terms. The path to riches is paved with smart choices and consistent effort. It's about making informed decisions and staying committed. It's about investing in assets that grow your wealth. Diversifying your investments to ensure steady growth. It's about building businesses that generate income even while you sleep. Creating systems that work for you around the clock. Are you ready to change your financial destiny? The journey begins now. Take the first step and commit to your financial transformation. Investing is the cornerstone of building long-term wealth. It's not just about saving money, but making your money work for you. It's about putting your money to work, allowing it to grow and multiply over time through smart investments. Letting it grow and multiply over time, leveraging the power of compound interest and market growth. But where do you start? Consider the stock market, a popular choice for many investors. Invest in companies you believe in, those with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Companies that are poised for growth, especially in innovative sectors like technology and healthcare. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income. Explore bonds for stability and ETFs for diversified investments. These can help balance your portfolio and reduce risk. Real estate remains a powerful wealth-building tool, offering both rental income and potential appreciation. Owning property can generate rental income and appreciate in value, providing a dual benefit. New platforms are making real estate investing more accessible than ever, even for small investors. And then there's the world of cryptocurrency, a new frontier in the investment landscape. While volatile, it offers the potential for high returns. Explore crypto staking, invest in emerging projects, and delve into the exciting realms of DeFi and GameFi. Remember, diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, manage your risk, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. With patience and smart choices, you can achieve financial freedom. The internet has revolutionized wealth creation. Today, anyone with an internet connection can build a business that generates passive income. Start a blog, share your passions, your knowledge, your unique perspective. Monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Create engaging video content on YouTube. Build a loyal audience and watch the ad revenue flow. Have valuable knowledge to share? Create and sell online courses or write and self-publish ebooks. Share your expertise with the world and earn passive income while you do it. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue. Promote products you believe in and earn commissions on every sale. The beauty of online business is its scalability. Your earning potential is limitless. Section 4. Monetize your expertise. Turn skills into streams of revenue. Everyone possesses unique skills and talents. Why not monetize them? Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn extra income. Offer your writing, graphic design, consulting, or other skills to clients worldwide. The digital world thrives on digital products. Create and sell templates, software, printables, or any digital asset that provides value to others. Have a spare room, a parking space, or high-value equipment? Rent them out for extra cash. Leverage your existing resources to create new income streams. Remember, every dollar earned is another dollar invested, another step towards financial freedom. Section 5, 2024 and beyond. Your year for financial freedom. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the year to seize control of your financial destiny. 2024 is your year to take control of your financial future. It's time to make informed decisions and strategic moves that will set you up for long-term success. Explore the world of crypto staking and AI-powered platforms. These technologies are revolutionizing the financial landscape, offering new opportunities for growth and innovation. Platforms like CryptoBox offer innovative staking strategies and incentives for new users. Dive into these platforms to maximize your earnings and stay ahead of the curve. Delve into the world of print-on-demand. This business model allows you to create and sell custom products without the need for upfront inventory. Design and sell products without the hassle of inventory, leveraging platforms that handle production and shipping for you. This means you can focus on creativity and marketing, maximize your savings with high-yield savings accounts and CDs. These financial tools offer secure ways to grow your money with minimal risk. Explore peer-to-peer lending for potentially higher returns. This method allows you to lend directly to individuals or businesses, cutting out the middleman. Invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, for passive income from real estate without the headaches of property management. REITs offer a way to diversify your portfolio. Share your knowledge and create a lasting legacy by creating and selling online courses. The possibilities are endless and the demand for online education is growing rapidly. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Take action today. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Your journey to riches starts now. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead and make this year the turning point in your financial life.